Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday, named after Thor. So it was Thursday. I know I have used that numbers of times, but sometimes you got to repeat things. Last night, the Culinary Expedition was in Sierra Leone, where I prepared a very simple dish called Plasas. I say this again and again and again. Sometimes the simplest recipes with the simplest ingredients result in excellence. This dish I will repeat again and again and again because it's just excellent. If you noticed, there's no herbs or spices. It was just on the raw ingredients. Excellent. All right. Today, the Culinary Expedition continues in Bhutan, where I'll be preparing, I'm going to get this right, Jasha Maroo. Another simple dish that involves chicken and just, again, some very simple, basic ingredients. Let's get to it. And I've got about 12 ounces of boneless, skinless chicken thighs thawing. Again, simple. Garlic, shallots, ginger, some kosher salt, black pepper. I'll be dicing up a good portion of this Roma tomato, some chicken stock, some serrano peppers, and just a little bit of oil. Now, as we have learned over the several months in the Culinary Expedition, that stew does not mean what we Americans think of stew, like a beef stew or so forth. This is technically a stew. Not a lot of liquid, only about a half cup. That's it. So this, again, like last night's, I'm looking forward to this simple ingredient chicken stew. So on this Thursday, hopefully we're going to get a little bit of sun this afternoon. Fingers crossed. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.